Hello. Kekunumere. We have come again to learn Igbo language today. Now, what we're going to be looking at today is called Ajuju. I wrote Ajuju 2 because we've done 1 the other day. So the question word number 2. Question words number 2. We know there are many question words. So this is the second one we're doing today. Now the second question word we're doing is EBEE. EBEE. EBEE means where. It is used to know about the place something happened or will happen. If you want to know where somebody went or where something is, you ask EBEE. Now, I like to give some formats for easy practice. So you write EBEE plus ka, plus a noun or pronoun, plus a verb or preposition, plus adverb. Now you see how that works in our examples. Questions with EBEE. EBEE ka anyị na-eje taa? EBEE ka anyị na-eje taa? Where are we going today? EBEE ka ego ahụ dị? EBEE ka ego ahụ dị? Where is that money? EBEE ka ha si bịa? EBEE ka ha si bịa? Where did they come from? EBEE ka unu gotere akwụkwọ ahụ? EBEE ka unu gotere akwụkwọ ahụ? Where did you buy the book? EBEE ka nkịta gị nọ? EBEE ka nkịta gị nọ? Where is your dog? EBEE ka m ga-eri nri? EBEE ka m ga-eri nri? Where will I eat food? Now, usually when you ask questions, you expect responses or you give responses if you're the one they're asking. So to respond to any question with EBEE, 1, you can give a word answer and mention the place. Or you start from the pronoun or noun in the question sentence to answer the question, then end with the place. For instance, the first question I asked is, EBEE ka anyị na-eje taa? Now the response is, anyị na-eje Abuja taa. We are going to Abuja today. You could have just chosen to say Abuja, and that's one word answer. But if you want to make a sentence, say, anyị na-eje Abuja taa. We are going to Abuja today. Now in the second question I asked, EBEE ka ego ahụ dị? And the right response should be, ego ahụ dị n'akpa m. Depending on where the money is. Ebe ahụ dị n'akpa m, the money is in my bag. The next question says, EBEE ka ha si bịa? And the response here says, ha si America bịa. They came from America. The next person said, EBEE ka ị gotere akwụkwọ ahụ? And the response here says, anyị gotere akwụkwọ ahụ n'ahịa. We bought the book from the market. The next person said, EBEE ka nkịta gị nọ? Now the response here says, nkịta m nọ n'ụlọ. Nkịta m nọ n'ụlọ. My dog is at home. Then the last response for the question says, ị ga-eri nri n'usekwu. Ị ga-eri nri n'usekwu. You will eat in the kitchen. So when you want to know the natal place, that is where someone is born, or state of origin, or the country a person comes from, you will ask the person, Onye EBEE ka ị bụ? Onye EBEE ka ị bụ? Where are you from? Now, in response, the person could say, Onye Asaba, that is Asaba person. If the person is from Asaba, says Onye Asaba, that's Asaba person. Or Mbo Onye Asaba, if you want to make a sentence, I am from Asaba. So it's the same kind of response, whether it's about states or country. In other words, if someone asks state Gi bụ ebe ka steeti gị bụ, or where your country is. You can still say mbụ onye Delta State or mbụ onye Nigeria. So it's the same response. Okay, now you go and try your own. Use EBEE to ask questions with these words, with these verbs. Debere, that's kept. Gebi, will live. Nodorala, sat down. Garahora, will sleep. Now, this is the end of our class today. I will always advise, don't just write it, practice it. With much practice, you get better. Dalono.